I, H.S. Sahani, Principal, DAV Public School, Shri Muktsar Sahib, wish to pay my gratitude to all my worthy managers and the citizens of this city, Shri Muktsar Sahib, for giving me a chance to come and serve this area. Wish to introduce my institution to all of you. DAV Public School, Shri Muktsar Sahib, emphasizes the importance of learning by doing. We believe learning should be interesting and practical. We intend to draw out and nurture their natural abilities, be it artistic, scientific, or linguistic. A strong emphasis on holistic growth is emphasized with subjects like public speaking, creative writing, music, dance, and numerous internal and external competitions we provide to all our students. We are the kind of an institution that believes in empowering our students with enough potential to lead their career through interactive smart classes or innovative ways of teaching based on our own pedagogy. The intention of the school is to awaken the intelligence and the generosity of spirits in students so that they are able to meet an increasingly complex world without losing their identity. The cultivation of a global outlook, a love for nature, and a concern for humanity are all intrinsic parts of our education goal. Education is not limited to the four walls of the classroom. We believe in the holistic development of a child that would lead to more than just qualifications when he faces the real world after school. Practical learning, a wide range of activities that increases students' exposure, forming well-rounded personalities are what we aim at. Students are also encouraged to be involved in sports activities and performing arts to participate and perform in various inter-school competitions. Our entire staff plays a very important role in providing the required personal attention to our students, which helps them grow in an extremely healthy environment. Academically, our teachers attend to each student and help them achieve their learning milestones. To nurture the leaders for tomorrow, our school has designed a new curriculum with an aim to achieve all-round excellence, which can help us in bringing out the highest of potentials, making each child self-sufficient and prepared for life. Our pedagogy for a perfect curriculum begins with understanding the academic mindset. We aim at making students independent of monitored discipline. Our theory makes the student self-sufficient and composed in his ways. Through these little details, we encourage a child's belief in the value of education. Student motivation programs, monitored innovative assemblies, special skills, workshops, various internal and external competitions. All these innovative techniques help to build a child's persona, polishing his learning skills as well as life skills. Our pedagogy is not just limited to a student's life. We give a lot of importance to our teacher training programs as well, motivating hard work and rigor in their efforts. So I request all of you to please make a visit and understand the difference that we are trying to provide. Thank you very much.